Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the theme for your Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this you'll need to open Settings, click on Start, and here we are. We can go for Personalization, select the themes, and now you can use a different pre-made theme. It changes all of the colors on your device with each different setting. You can also browse through other themes on the Microsoft Store. Or experiment and create your own theme by changing specific options. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.